Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me doing the virtual contest for the weekly contest for Dirty. I'm a little bit behind, of course, because I was in San Salvador and things were kind of just I don't know, I was too tired honestly to even like try to attempt it, and it was a long weekend. I tried to do too much while I'm traveling. Anyway, you don't need the backstory. The backstory is that let's do this virtual contest and let's get started. Yeah, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord, and let me know what you think. And if you're curious about my San Salvador, El Salvador, and San Salvador stories, follow me on Instagram. Anyway, let's go. All right, let's just go slowly. Okay, virtual contest. Okay, am I ready? Yeah, let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go, go, go. Okay, let's go. I think I double clicked on one of them or whatever. Columns strictly increasing. 3130, right? Okay, well. Yeah. M of ij. I guess it doesn't matter, just something like this. Yeah, this is what happens when you confuse yourself. Okay, delta is equal to this, right? M. It could already be increasing, right, Larry? Okay, fine. Nope. This is very sloppy, actually. What the? No. Let me just click on the one button. M is not divided. Oh, why did I say M? Whatever. Maybe too much Arduino code from recent times. 15 is good, 12 is no good. I meant to write that, but I forgot. Okay. Oh, dumb bro. Well, it's a good thing I didn't do this contest live, I guess. I was thinking about that case, but then I just totally like rushed it in the last minute, and I kind of didn't pace myself mentally. Okay, so silly 5-minute penalty already. Okay, let's go. So here are the cell problems. Given the word and then the number of friends. What is exactly what this exact same split means? Okay, what does that mean? Okay, so I see the this is kind of very awkward, but okay, fine. I think it's just getting okay. So largest is always going to be longer, so it's just about is equal to n minus number of friends or something, right? Plus 1 maybe. So 2 friends, then the longest is going to be 3. 4. Yeah, that sounds right. And 4 is going to be 4 minus 4 plus 1. Okay, right? And then it's just about having the longest substring from this point, right? What's that, 5,000? It's just barely like annoying to do with n square type things. How do I want to write this? I guess not really. Okay, fine. I guess that's n square. And in Python anyway, should be a fast n square. So, okay. Man, I've been making a lot of mistakes. Oh, 1. That doesn't make sense, does it? Why would I do, am I just doing math wrong? A, B, C, G. That's, oh, you don't have a choice. Okay. No, but, oh, okay. This is dumb. I actually thought about this case, but I thought that it wouldn't matter. So okay, fine. Dumbo. +1, I think. Okay, I am just being really dumb on this. Oh. Okay, so man, I am just being silly today. Okay, so maybe 1 is a special case. Okay, fine. I thought I was debating whether that was the case, but okay, fine. Two wrong answers. This is a terrible start. Okay, or 3 wrong answers in total already. But okay, we could catch up. There's only, I mean, we're cheating in that we know that only 366 people finished this, but more people finished Q4, huh? It's a weird one for sure. No, they don't, even on the virtual contest, they don't give us the rankings, even though they give us this, so it's already weird. Okay. Anyway, let's kick. That's actually sound hopefully. A subsequence of length 4. Num sub p. One element between each pair of indexes. What's a different subsequence? They definitely define what a different subsequence is. And what I mean is just that, like, different can mean a number of different things. Is it like the PQRS that's different, or the num sub, you know, whatever is different? But I don't know. Anyway, okay, focus. PRQS. That's such a weird way of looping this index. Okay. So there are always at least 1, right? 1,000's interesting. That means that we can probably pre-calculate things up to 1,000,000. There's some trivially true things here, but I mean, n square is fast enough, so we just have to loop the n square in a not dumb way. I mean, we can rewrite this, right? To wait, Q, right? So that's just Is that better? I don't know. It's definitely awkward. So then you're going from left going to right. Okay, fine. Yeah, I think that's a little bit better. You could just store this as a fraction. It's only 1,000 over 1,000 things, so there's only, so that's actually not that bad. Okay. How do we want to write this? Okay, let's just say if, for example, if we had, I don't know. Then now you have nums of p over nums of q, right? Maybe a pair, and we want the GCD of them, right? So then now we have this as the thing, and then q is the dividing thing. And then maybe you can do a lookup. Can you do a lookup? Yeah, that's not so bad. It's just really annoying to do. Okay, fine. Maybe you could do some backwards. Right. So then now we do the same thing, right? And now we want to say at R there's an event, right? So maybe with events, no, we want okay, right? So something like that. Yeah. I mean, it's annoying to do, but I think I'm doing it. I'm just trying to do a knot in a dumb way, but maybe that's not possible. But okay. Well then, yeah. No, the way that you have to think about the loop a little bit differently. You can't just do the loop this way. Oh yeah, okay, that's fine. Yeah. I'm just writing this loop dumbly. Okay, so then let's write this loop in for q in range to n, and then for p in range of whatever, for q minus 2, right? Okay, now we're in business. And then now we can say now we can say, and this is maybe q minus 1 actually, honestly. Okay, but now just say oh yeah, okay, fine. Every and then now we have total 0, 0, right? So then now for every time we process a queue, then we want to say for in events. So we want to say Q is no good. Yeah, we want to create Q and Q plus 1, right? Okay. Maybe something like that. You could even just write. It's a little bit awkward, but it's fine. Okay, and then now we can just do. Something like that should be fine, right? 22. Okay, well, that is way not what I expected. Okay, so let's see if I'm right or even remotely close. So all these things, right? Probably. I mean, I think the idea is right. I just have to debug it, I suppose. Yeah, this I want to debug with a smaller thing, but that's fine. Okay. Maybe print all. Oh. Okay, so R is the row. Okay, what? Okay, 3 1. Okay, 1 1 4 1 3 1 2 1 1. Okay. Okay. 2 3. That's probably right. Wait, what? No, 4 6 4. Yeah, okay, that's actually right. Okay, I forgot they have to skip by 2. 6 3. Okay, so this seems right, right? So then why is this part wrong? Okay, 1 3. You have 2 things. 3 1. And that's it, right? Why would there be 2 things? Oh, this is silly, that's why. Because I didn't properly remove this. Oh, Larry. 1 and 3. Okay, that's good. Yeah, okay. Now that you so many silly mistakes. Alright, give it a submit. Hopefully it doesn't time out. Okay, that wasn't that bad. I don't know. I don't know why. Is the virtual leaderboard doesn't work anymore? That's actually not great. Let me ask on the Discord real quick. How do I get the virtual leaderboard on working? Or can someone give me a virtual? Thanks. Okay, I guess we'll come back to it. Anyway, okay, Q4. Okay, count the number of ways with K matching adjacent elements. Okay, and K good array. Okay, a good array is 1 to m. Okay, this mod. Right. Exactly k index is I where the adjacent elements are the same. Okay. And n is up to 10 to the 5th. K is 0. Okay, so the naive thing would be to just do okay, let's write out the naive. I feel like I am really bad at these, but we have the index and then the last element, right? Technically the last elements don't really matter, but for the purpose of this, for symmetry reasons, maybe. But then also the number of good, right? K. So that's not or left, right? So then if you write it this way, it's going to definitely be too slow, but we'll try. So index is equal to n, right? Then we return 1 if if left is equal to 0, we return 1, otherwise we return 0 actually. What is m? M is the number of numbers, so then we have to do the for I don't know, whatever, x in range sub m. It wants him from 1 to n, but it's fine, we just do it from 0 to n minus 1. So then if last is equal to x, then count net plus 1, last I guess x, and then left minus 1, and left is I guess. Otherwise just index plus 1 x. I guess this is a little bit awkward actually. I think this is the actual loop. Else then we just left, right? Yeah. And I think that's it in theory. I mean, it's not gonna work because the constraints don't make sense, but then maybe this, I feel like recently I've been really bad at these kind of dynamic programming optimizations, so I feel like maybe this will kind of let me you know, okay, 361, okay, I'm wrong, so at least like we have to do this part right. Why do I even get this one wrong? Oh, because I assume the first number is 0. So are we undercounting then? Yes, we are. That's good. Okay, then I have for I in range of m, right? Then okay. I mean, I definitely am watching it because I know that this is not my final response, so that's kind of thing. But 6, 12, 2, that's not right, right? Why is that? Okay, so that's not good either. I thought that would be it. I guess the first index is, I think actually I messed that up. It should be this, or it should be this. Maybe that's a little bit better. Okay. Well, now we don't need the for loop again. And I need to also do that silly trick that people always tell me to do, but maybe won't. Just want to see that this works. Okay, so now we finally got the actual working thing. Okay. Yeah, I'm beginning to think it's the old UI thing. I don't know how to fix that actually. That's not great actually, because I don't know my times. Okay. Anyway, I mean, of course this is gonna be too slow. There's a lot of symmetry in this, but it still depends on the numbers left and k, which even if you reduce a dimension, it's still too slow. Because is it just like a choice thing? I guess it's just mathematics, right? Because basically you have n minus one places to choose k, right? So this is going to be n minus 1 choose k, except for the number of places where you don't choose k, you have m, something like, yeah, m minus 1 choices or something. So then, yeah, maybe that's it, right? I don't know if that's right, but I guess the DP I don't see a way, honestly, afterwards. But okay. How do I write choice again in a good way? N minus 1 choose k in Python with mod. I guess it's just factorial in it and factorial thing, right? Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Toyo to something like that, right? Oh, fact, the new one. Oops. Whoopsie daisies. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, whatever. That looks about right. Okay. So then now we want n minus 1 choose k, right? So that is just going to be, oh, I need to mod this actually. That's pretty bad. I forgot. I think I'm trying to think, because I think like people has told me a better way to write this. Maybe this is wrong actually. Yeah, that's not great actually. I think that is Man, I'm so rusty today. Okay, it's one of the maybe it's just what's it called? I mean, we could do another way, which is because I'm actually worried about the correctness about this, but yeah, times power of I minus 1 mod, right? I think that's a little bit better. And then mod this, of course. Okay. Yeah. Okay. And maybe just print I can't believe I'm spending too much time on this, but that's okay. That looks about right. 1/2, 1/3, or 1/6 rather, or 1/3 from the other one. Okay, fine. So then now we have, so slots is equal to n minus 1, right? And then now we want to choose k of them. Yeah. So then now we have what is it? Just slots factorial over k factorial over slots minus k factorial. So that's the number of things, and then we times that by m minus 1 choices, because it has to be any other number exactly. So then that is number of slots minus k, yeah, times facts of, no, not just slots minus k to the power of m minus 1, remember to mod, and then we just return this modded, right? 2, 3, 4 is really not right. What am I going wrong on this? Okay, I mean, at least it's wrong for small cases, so that's good, because I can dissect this. Okay, so k is equal to 1. 3 numbers, you have 2 slots, right? So this is 1 to the power of 1 to the power of one other thing is 1, so you have no choice. Okay, that's fine. 2, 1, 1. No, let's just put it up. Okay, slots k, slots minus k. So 3 numbers, we have 1 choice, right? 2, 1, 1. Yeah, that sounds right. So 2, 1, 1. So we have 2 as the answer. What have I done? 2, 3, 4. 4 is actually more discerning, because I think 4 doesn't make sense here. This one I think I can adjust by having times it by m for the first number. So it's actually this times m, I think, is probably a little bit better. I get to be sloppy in the I get to be sloppy with this, because Python math, big int math, it's a little bit slower, but it's fine. Okay, but then now this 8 is interesting. Why is it 8? Well, it's the first time. Oh, k is 0. So then you have 4 different choices. No, you have 2 different choices. Wait, what? So 4 times 2 minus 1. Did I do this wrong? M minus 1 choice per slide. Okay, I did get this wrong. Okay, that's an easy fix though, so I think that's great. I'm really bad at math apparently. 4, 2, 6, 2. Okay. Whether this is right, we'll see, but it looks okay for these numbers. I mean, I could imagine a lot of people did it very quickly. I don't know if this is so slow though. I mean, I guess what people can do, I mean, this is fine, right? And unfortunately, you know, I don't know what my ranking is. Can someone... okay, I'm asking on Discord if someone could give me a link to the virtual contest things. I don't know what the link is. So I guess I can come back to it, but you know, but we did pretty okay. This one was pretty straightforward. I mean, I don't know what the timing here is. I think I should have took it outside. 7 seconds is a little bit awkward, but that's a easy fix, and that's a terrible fix that they make you do, honestly. But that you could just put it outside here like that, right? And then now we just set it to, what is it? That's fine, right? Yeah. Oops, mod. Where's my mod? Okay. I mean, I guess I could pause, but it still won't let me know my results, right? Which is a little bit awkward. Okay. Yeah, and then now, yeah, that's just silly, but okay, Leetcode. Yeah. I mean, I think this is roughly it. I don't know how to. Let me maybe try to figure out how to how to get this. I don't even know which new UI they want us to do to get it, so it's a little bit awkward. Let me see another window real quick. Who are my people? This is Leetcode is so useless sometimes. I don't know how to get to this. Okay, wait, maybe I can just go to the normal Leetcode contest thing. Does that work? Sorry, friends, that you have to witness this. 4:30. Okay, there we go. 49th. I mean, it's kind of hilarious because I feel like I mean, obviously 15 minutes on the first 3 is silly, but I did pretty okay on the last 2. So that is actually kind of funny. Because without 15 minutes, is it at least 15 minutes? Actually, I would have been top 10. Would have been 8th or something. But yeah, I don't know. It's kind of silly. But I mean, and I would have gained rating. I would not have expected that given the Q1, Q2 silliness. But Q3 was fine, and Q4 was also just maps, right? Yeah, I don't know. Wait, I could click on these during the virtual. I mean, I'm in the virtual contest. I guess that's. I don't know. I guess it's honors code, but still, it's a little bit awkward. Okay, fine. Yeah, I mean, I guess people did it the way I did it, pretty much. I mean, I did it kind of a little bit funky, but the Q4 is just maths, so it's that's kind of funny. I could click on other people's stuff, but I can't click on mine because I guess I didn't do a thing. But yeah, I mean, the math, like I'm not surprised people got it that quickly. Silly Leetcode things. But yeah. That is all I have for this contest, I think. Clearly, obviously, I need to be a little bit better about Q1, Q2, but not a big deal, really. I mean, or like, it's not a big deal because it's not an actual contest, but that actually would have been really painful, going from top 10 kind of thing, like I don't know, like a almost max gain to well, I mean, like a decent gain, but not so much. I redeemed myself a little bit, so I guess that's fine. Anyway, yeah, this is all I have for this virtual contest. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and yeah, stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.